Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reading with Mrs. Wendell. I'm Ann Wenzel, and I'm a reading teacher at MLK Middle School. If you've been in any of my classes over the years, I really miss you. And if you're just joining us, glad to have you. I'm going to start our slideshow. And here it is. Corrective reading. It's for anyone in 4th or 5th grades, middle school, high school, and adults. It's designed to correct any skill you may have missed in your years of school. This is Level A, Lesson 35, the Orange Book. This is where my class was when we were last in school. So don't worry that you missed lessons 1 through 34. You haven't. This is our first lesson by video. We're going to read a new story, we're going to learn a new vowel pattern, and we're going to review some vowel sounds and vowel rules. If you know these rules already and the words in the story are way too easy, you might want to try our level B1 video. If you know how to do most things in the lesson, but not all, it's just right for you. I'm going to stop the slides for a second. So that we can start off with a pun. A pun is a joke that uses multiple meanings of words to make it funny. Like the first person says, "Is your refrigerator running?" Second person says, "Yeah." First person says, "Well, then you better go catch it." The joke is funny because there are multiple meanings of the word running. What's one meaning of running? What's another meaning of running? Right. One meaning is to move really fast with your legs, and the other is for an engine to be working. So today's pun is, why did the teacher write on the window? The answer will come at the end. We're going to put the slides back on. And here we are. We're going to review some vowel sounds you should already know. What is one sound an E makes? What's another sound an E makes? Yes, the short sound of E is eh as in edge. That picture on the left has a lot of edges in it. The long sound of E says its name, E. Here's O. What's one sound that an O makes? What's another sound an O makes? Yes, the short sound of O is ah, as in octopus. The long sound of O says its name, O. We're going to review vowels and consonants. What letters are vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So what letters are consonants? Yes, all the other letters. You need to know the difference between vowels and consonants in order to understand these vowel rules. It's a good idea to pause the video and write them down on your own paper. Rule number 1 says, when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it is short. Some examples are at, pet, lit, crop, sun, mid-Atlantic. Rule number 2 says, when a vowel is followed by nothing, it is long. Some examples are be, hi, so, blue, fly, and hello. Now we're going to use these rules to figure out the sounds in these words. In the first word, we see that the O is underlined. Is O a vowel or a consonant? Yes, O is a vowel. It is followed by a T. Is the T a vowel or a consonant? Yes, T is a consonant. Remember, rule number 1 said, when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it's short. Since this O is followed by a consonant, it is short. What sound does a short O make? Yes, ah as in octopus. O says ah, so the word is got. In the next word, what kind of letter is O? Yes, a vowel. What kind of letter is T? Yes, a consonant. Rule 1 says a vowel followed by a consonant is what? You can look back in the video if you need to. Yes, short. A short O says what? Yes, ah. So this word is what? Yes, not. The next two words follow rule number 2. When a vowel is followed by nothing, it is long. What is the vowel? Yes, O. What is it followed by? Yes, it's followed by nothing. If a vowel is followed by nothing, it is long. What does a long O say? Yes, O. So the word is no. In the next word, what is the vowel followed by? Yes, nothing. So is it short or long? Yes, it's long. What is a long O sound? Yes, O. So what's the word? Yes, go. You may have already known these words without knowing the rules, or even that there were rules that went along with them. I actually didn't learn rules 1 and 2 until after I became a teacher. But now that you know them, you can use them to figure out many words that you don't already know. Okay. Now we're going to look at exercise 2. This is a new vowel pattern. An O and an L together make the sound ol. What sound? Yes, ol. These words all have the sound ol. In the first word, what is the underlined sound? Yes, ol. What's the word? Yes, old. On the bottom line, in the first word, what is the underlined sound? Yes, old. What's the word? Yes, gold. Next word. What's the underlined sound? Yes, old. What's the word? Yes, sold. Okay, good job. Now we're looking at exercise 3. This is all about listening to sounds and words and breaking words down into sounds. This might be hard to do on a video, but we'll give it a try. First, we're going to look at these two words, slim and slam. Say slim. Yes, slim. Say slam. Yes, slam. One of these words has the middle sound I, as in itch. I'll say the words again. Slim, slam. Which word has the middle sound I, as in itch? Yes, slim. Which word has the middle sound a, as in apple? Yes, slam. Okay, the next two words are dent and dint. Listen, dent. Say it. Yes, dent. Dint. Say it. Yes, dint. One of those words has the middle sound of I, as in itch. I'll say the words again. Dent, dint. Which word has the middle sound of I, as in itch? Yes, dint. Which word has the middle sound of as in edge? Yes, dent. Very good. Okay, last two. Cheek. Say it. Yes, cheek. Check. Say it. Yes, check. One of those words has the middle sound E. I'll say the words again. Cheek, check. Which word has the middle sound E? Yes, cheek. Which word has the middle sound as in edge? Yes, check. Okay, now we're going to look at exercise 4. In this exercise, we're going to look at the words one by one, and then I'm going to ask you what the word is, and you're going to answer on the signal. First word. What word? You answer when I tap. Yes, lit. Next word. What word? Yes, let. Next word. What word? Yes, lot. Next word. What word? Yes, lack. Second line. First word. What word? Yes, lock. Next word. What word? Yes, lick. Next word. What word? Yes, sick. Third line. First word. What word? Yes, will. Next word. What word? Yes, well. Next word. What word? Yes, fill. Next word. What word? Yes, fell. Next line. First word. What word? Yes, track. Next word. What word? Yes, trick. Next word. What word? Yes, trot. Next line. First word. What word? Yes, when. Next word. What word? Yes, wheel. Next word. What word? Yes, then. Last line. First word. What word? Yes, get. Next word. What word? Yes, sent. Last word. What word? Yes, am. Okay, did everybody get that? Trot is the way a horse walks. When a horse trots, he is walking fast. Exercise 5 can be a little tricky. We're going to look at the words one by one again, but first we're going to look at the underlined letters and then the whole word. In the first word, what's the underlined sound? You answer when I tap. Yes, t. What's the word? Yes, not. Okay, next word. What's the underlined sound? Yes, d. What's the word? Yes, nods. Next word. What's the underlined sound? Yes, E. What's the word? Yes, sheets. Next word. What's the underlined sound? Yes, sh. What's the word? Yes, cash. Next word. What's the underlined sound? Yes. What's the word? Yes, wheel. Okay, did everybody get that? This can be a tongue twister. We're going to try the second line. First word. Underlined sound? Yes, What word? Yes, trees. Next word. What sound? Yes. What word? Yes, when. Next word. What sound? Yes, ah is in apple. What word? Yes, sand. Next word. What sound? Yes, shh. What word? Yes, shots. Last word. What sound? Yes, as in itch. What word? Yes, trim. Last line. First word. What sound? Yes, d. What word? Yes, dent. Next word. What sound? Yes, as an octopus. What word? Yes, on. Next word. What sound? Yes, as in itch. What word? Yes, if. Next word. What sound? Yes, What word? Yes, in. Last word. What sound? Yes, d. What word? Yes, send. Okay, that was great. For the next part, you try reading sentence 1. You can read it out loud or silently. Did you say the ram will not win the dash? Good. Do number 2. Did you say, when did that man feed his cats? Good. Do number 3. Did you say, she got wet in the street? Okay, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now we have a very short story. It's only on this page. Pause the video and read this story on your own now. How'd you do? I'm going to read the story now. See if I sound like the way you read it. Then I'm going to ask you some questions. He has an ant. That ant is trim and fast. It is as fast as a cat. And it can fit in a hand. What does the main character have? Yes, an ant. One adjective that describes the ant is trim. Trim means thin and healthy. What other adjective tells about the ant? Yes, fast. Which is faster, the cat or the ant? If you said they are both the same speed, you are right. Where is the ant? Yes, it's in his hand. If the ant wanted to get out of his hand, where do you think it might go? I don't know what you said, but if that is an ant in my house, it's going to head for some food that I left on the kitchen counter. And then it's going to tell all its ant family to come on in the window because Mrs. Wendell has a piece of candy she left out that those ants will really love. We're up to the last part. You're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. On your paper, number from 1 to 12. Pause the video now and do that. For numbers 1 through 6, I'm going to say a sound and you're going to write it on the lines. Number 1, what one letter makes the sound w, as in wish? Number 2, what two letters make the sound wh, as in what? When? What one letter makes the sound eh, as in edge? Number 4, what letter makes the sound l, as in love. L. Number 5. What letter makes the sound ah, as in octopus? And number 6. What letter makes the sound d, as in dentist? Okay, for the next part, I'm going to say the word and you're going to write it. For number 7, write the word hit. Don't hit your sister. Hit. Number 8, write the word hid. I hid under the bed. Hid. Number 9, write the word sat. She sat in the chair. Sat. In the next section, I'm going to say a word and you're going to write it, but some letters are already there. For number 10, what letters do you have to add to make the word sheets? I put sheets on my bed. Sheets. Number 11, add some letters to make the word fist. Fist. Number 12, add letters to make this word hand. Hand. I hope you heard all that, okay? If you didn't, you can go back and go through the video again. Remember, we wanted to know why the teacher wrote on the window? Because she wanted the lesson to be clear. This isn't a window, but I hope everything was clear. Thanks for being here today. I really enjoyed it. Visit us at lesson 36 to find out what happens when the race car goes on the track. I put up the answers to the questions so you can pause the video and go back and check yourself. Bye-bye. See you next time.